Hi everyone and welcome back to the Happy Heart. I'm so glad that you guys came over today to see this weekly cleaning routine. I clean these 5 things every single week. Sometimes if I'm just cleaning in general, I'll throw it in there with it. Sometimes I'll clean these things, all of them separately, but I do them every single week to kind of keep up on them. Otherwise I feel like they get too bad and too dirty, or I don't like to scrub things. That's my other thing that you'll learn, is even when I put dishes in the sink, I always rinse them off. I hate scrubbing on things. So these are my 5 key things that I do every week just to like maintain and make sure they stay nice and that I don't have to scrub them. I am creating and uploading content as fast as I can make it to get it out to you guys. I also try to do cleaning videos Sunday and Wednesday, so be on the lookout for those because there's usually a cleaning video every Sunday and every Wednesday, and kind of mixed in between is the other fun lifestyle videos that I know you guys love. The first thing I do most of the time is I go around and I clean the glass on all my doors. As you can see, my back door, it has some blinds inside this little window cubby, but on the other side I have to clean the glass manually and clean all inside the nooks and crannies. So I get in deep in all that because this part faces to the outside and it really gets dirty. You wouldn't think so, but I feel like I clean it every single week and every single week it's dirty. So, and then I always go on to clean my storm doors, and we had a terrible storm last night. I thought Thor was coming through the sky. It was so bad. But I clean those usually about every week, and I try to like clean the outside of the frames as well when I do it. But I've been using this great glass cleaner and it's very easy to use. It's a vinegar base. You get it from the Dollar Tree. It leaves no streaks and it works inside, outside, and everything in between. So this is my front door, and you can see I'm doing the same thing. You can see all the leaves outside from that terrible storm we had, but I'll get to that later. But yeah, on this, I really try to get into those grooves because it's really pretty how it has these grooves on the storm door, but it collects just dirt like crazy because of the wind. So, and kids are coming in and out, so there's always fingerprints, and that's why I clean it at least once a week, if not more. The next thing I do is I always wash all my bath mats, and these ones I got from Amazon. They collect a lot of debris. You wouldn't think so, and I wish I would have done a close-up shot because there's always a lot of debris on the floor. But I wash them every week, and I usually hang them to dry, and I just go in with this little multi-use vacuum that I've been loving, and I'll link some other cleaning videos where I've been using this, but oh, it's my new favorite. And I clean up all that little just dust and debris and things like that, because this is the bathroom that my son uses the most. This one is such an obvious choice because I would assume that you would always vacuum and mop your dining room, but this summer my husband's been traveling a lot, so me and my son haven't really been using the dining room a lot. And I put it on my weekly routine this summer, and it's been working out really good. So if you have a room that, say, you're just not getting a lot of traffic in, I put it on my weekly routine to go in and clean it, because otherwise it just seems to be that weeks will go by and I'll think that I have gone in there and cleaned, and then I'll walk through and there'll be so much dust on the ground. So I want to make sure that, you know, I'm cleaning and maintaining this really well so that I don't have to do a lot of work later on. And I love steam mopping, as you can tell. at least once a week, and I usually do this when I'm cleaning the rest of the kitchen, but sometimes I don't get to everything, or the dishwasher's going, or things like that. We're using the oven. I hadn't done my refrigerator yet this week, so that's why I'm cleaning it now, but usually I go around and clean all the stainless at least once a week, and sometimes if I don't get it in on my regular cleaning my kitchen time, then I'll go through when I'm doing just my weekly stuff, and I'll clean it as well. And I put this in as kind of like a 4.5 because I wipe down inside my refrigerator all the white and some of the glass. Mostly, like, I just kind of go in there and make sure nothing is spilled, everything's okay, because what will happen is I usually clean out the refrigerator and the glass every time I go grocery shopping, which is about every 2 weeks. But, you know, in the meantime, if something has happened and I haven't been able to get to it, like I told you guys, I hate scrubbing on things. So I go in about once a week, and I just make sure that, you know, nothing's spilled, that everything's okay. And I wipe down those white parts a lot, because if somebody's coming to my house and they go in and get water or something like that out of my refrigerator, I want the white to stick out and to be kind of shiny clean. So I do always wipe the white part down once a week and just make sure there's nothing stuck on or anything like that. The final thing I do once a week is I use that same glass cleaner, because it's actually a glass and surface cleaner when I read the bottle, but it's a vinegar based. So I clean my cabinets with it because it's a vinegar base, and I feel like it's not going to ruin the paint or anything like that. But I use it in case there's fingerprints or anything like that. And on the lower cabinets, sometimes I'll see things that have spilled or dribbled down or anything like that, and so about once a week I go through and I wipe all that down, get it all fresh and cleaned back up. You'll see my top cabinets, I can't reach the top, and so about once a month I get on a ladder and I clean the whole cabinet. But most of the time I'm cleaning exactly what I can reach, because let's face it, moms, like, you're the one in and out of the cabinets for the majority of the time, so whatever you can reach is really where all the fingerprints are going to be, unless it's like your pantry or something, where the snacks are. But other than that, I just get where we are grabbing the most, and I kind of make sure that nothing has drizzled down on those cabinets. So that was it for this weekly cleaning routine. I hope this gave you guys some ideas to put some weekly stuff on your list, and really add it in while you're already cleaning, and then it's already done. And that's what I do the majority of the time. But really, these things take maybe a total of 10 minutes every week, and it really helps so you don't end up scrubbing and spending a lot of time in one area of your house. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you'll subscribe if you have not, and I will see y'all in my next brand new video. Bye for now.